Hello and welcome to my third video about fractions. In this video, I will show you what a reciprocal is and how to divide fractions. So let's get started. So let's say somebody has asked you to get the reciprocal of 4 over 7. This is easy. You just need to switch the numbers around. Because when you're asked to get a reciprocal of a number, you just need to switch the numbers around. So if you switch the numbers 4 and 7, you get 7 over 4. So this is the reciprocal of this, and this is the reciprocal of this. Because in this one, if you switch the numbers around again, you get this one. So these two numbers are reciprocal of each other. And let me just show you a funny thing. If you multiply a reciprocal by a reciprocal, you get 4 times 7, 28. And then at the bottom, 7 times 4, 28. And that is equal to 1, as this is a whole fraction now. So this means that a reciprocal times a reciprocal is 1. This is because you got the same multiplication on the top and on the bottom. Let me show you another example. So let's say somebody has asked you to get the reciprocal of 3 over 8. The reciprocal of 3 over 8 is 8 over 3, because you took this number to there and this number to there. You basically switch the numbers around. And then, if you want to check if you got the correct reciprocal or not, you can always multiply the numbers and see if you get one or not. 3 times 8, 24. 8 times 3, 24. And as you can see, these numbers are the same, so that means this is a whole fraction. Again, you can see that multiplying two reciprocals gives you 1. But now you might be thinking, how is this relevant to dividing fractions? Let me show you how. Let me just quickly create some space where I can show you how. So let's say somebody gave you 3 over 8 times, not times, divided by 2 over 7. This can be simplified easily if you know how. To divide fractions, you need to get the reciprocal of the second number and multiply it by the first number. So 3 over 8 times 7 over 2. And if you switch the numbers around, you get this. This means this is the reciprocal of this, and this is the reciprocal of this. And now we just multiply easily. 3 times 7, 21. 8 times 2, 16. As you can see, this is pretty easy. You can check if you got the correct reciprocal or not by multiplying the two reciprocals by each other. 2 over 7 times 7 over 2, and you get 14 over 14. 2 times 7, 14. 7 times 2, 14. And this is again a whole number. This is 1. Pretty simple. If you still didn't understand, then we show you another example. Create some space. What if you got 6 over 15 times, not times, divided by 2 over 3. You need to solve this equation. First, you need to get the reciprocal of this and multiply it by this number. So 6 over 15 times the reciprocal of this, 3 over 2. Let's just quickly check if you got the correct reciprocal or not. 3 over 2 times 2 over 3 is equal to 3 times 2, 6. 2 times 3, 6. And that is again equal to 1. So now you can see we got the correct reciprocal. So now we can go ahead and solve the equation to get the answer for this. 6 times 3, 18. 15 times 2, 30. And this can be simplified. If we get the highest common factor of both of these numbers, which would be 2, 18 divided by 2, 9, and 30 divided by 2, 15. And then we can simplify it even more by dividing both of these numbers by 3. 9 divided by 3, 3. 15 divided by 3, 5. So that means the original equation's answer is 3 over 5. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.